Hello, I'm Cthulhu, and I'd very much like to awaken my relatives lost in slumber, and I need your help to do it. You see, I've managed to convince the 4 folks over at Culturalon Enterprises to help out, but really, 4 people aren't enough, especially these 4. Which is why I'm using my minions to launch this Kickstarter project. As you might expect, Awakening Cthulhu requires vast resources. Resources I, as a plush doll, simply do not possess. In an attempt to remedy this, I've had my minions create this 1,000-piece maddening jigsaw puzzle, which can be yours for the low pledge of $30. Help me prove the doubters wrong, and show them that money and madness can exist outside of government by pledging today. Thank you for your support.